Sitechecker. If you are looking for a better way to monitor your website's health and search visibility in Google 2 times cheaper, now is the perfect time to learn 10 reasons why agencies switch from Semrush to Sitechecker. First and most important is that in Sitechecker you have the dashboard for all Google Search Console and Google Analytics 4 properties. Here, you can sort websites by absolute and relative success metrics from GSC and GA4 in a flexible dashboard. Check the most important data for the last 30 and 90 days for all your projects in one place. In Sitechecker, you can view the root of the technical issues directly in the source code of the page. This is a truly unique feature that helps your team to identify the root cause of the technical issues faster. Also, it is super convenient to set a task for fixing the issue, as you can simply share it with the link. Here you can check Search Console metrics for every landing page just in one click. Sitechecker imports search metrics data for every landing page from Search Console and builds additional charts that you can't get in the native GSC interface. With Sitechecker, you can check page indexation status for every landing page in one click. We use GSC URL Inspection API to show you the real indexation status of the page, when it was crawled last time, and if it has any rich results or mobile usability issues. Sitechecker also has a unique feature where you can identify keyword gaps based on search queries the page already ranks for, and checks how often the top 20 of them appear in the different parts of the content. Simply by implementing the missing content, you can boost your visibility. With our tool, you can set up alerts to email or Slack to reduce the risk of losing search traffic. We audit your website for availability and indexability changes every day and send alerts when something critical happens. Additionally, it has the first and the only website migration checker on the market. Now you can forget about the pain of auditing 2 websites separately after migration. Download a plan of migration and check all URLs in one report. After the scan is done, you will get a detailed list of issues. And the best part is that you can invite an unlimited number of customers and teammates for all of your projects absolutely for free. In Sitechecker, you don't pay for any additional users. You can invite them either to view your project as a whole or share only the parts of the project you want them to see. With us, you will grow your brand with a full white label option. Simply set up Sitechecker on your own domain name and add your logo to the PDF reports, email alerts, and interface to gain more trust and credibility in the eyes of your customers. While Semrush is better for competitor analysis and backlink analytics, Sitechecker is the smarter choice for managing and monitoring your website at only $59 per month, which is less than half of Semrush's $140. Sitechecker gives you a dashboard for all your GSC and GA4 properties, daily checks for availability and indexability, unlimited users for free, and tools to track content and indexability changes. If you want an affordable and effective way to manage your site and boost your SEO, Sitechecker is the way to go. And yes, anytime you have some questions, simply reach out to us in chat and we will be there right away to help you. Or you can contact us via email at support@sitechecker.pro.